like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. It is another gorgeous day here in the beautiful state of Utah, and that is because finally the Nissan GTR bug killer, we're picking it up today and we're back. Now the Nissan GTR, 2 videos ago, we had her on the dyno, 1,565 wheel horsepower. I'm so excited, I'm so nervous. Today, boys, we're taking delivery of her. Like, we're driving her on the road. We are taking delivery of the Bugatti killer. I'm so excited. Now, before we do that, we have a quick house update. You guys might remember in the last video, the drywall was completely transformed, the interior of the house. Well, today, boys, we're getting a similar treatment, but on the exterior, right over there. Now, I know you guys have already seen this. Yeah, but it's just so sick that we have to check it out again. This view from right here, this is the best view in the entire house. This house is moving together so quickly. Next is mud, then we got paint, then we got cabinets, then we got flooring, then the house is done and we move in. And of course, you guys have already seen this room right here. I'm trying to race through this so I don't bore you guys, but I gotta show you guys the outside. Now, I know you guys are getting excited. I can feel the excitement through the camera lens. Check this out, though. Oh, yes, we got exterior siding going on the house right now. These guys have only been out here since 7 a.m. this morning. They've done this entire wall right here, and then check this out, too. Now, this color looks a little bit odd, and I realize that it's gonna be painted black soon. When? I don't know. Now, honestly, I could stare at the new board and bat all day long, and you guys probably could as well, but we have a bug killer. We got a Nissan GTR, the reincarnation of Godzilla, that we gotta go pick up right now. I just realized now that I own a house, I also own a bunch of weeds. Like these weeds right here, these are my weeds. That's my Hellcat. She's got a Hellcat. She's not Godzilla though. But a lot of momentum is that Toyota Camry just cuts right in front of me. The brakes on this thing, we have factory Gladiator brakes. Let that sink in. We got 707 horsepower, we got a 6x6, we got 42-inch tires, and we have factory brakes. I couldn't think of a better day to take delivery of the bug killer. It is absolutely gorgeous here in Utah today. If you're thinking about moving here, don't. Now, I know this is gonna sound sad and pathetic, and it is sad and pathetic. I'm scared of this Nissan GTR. It has 1,565 wheel horsepower. I don't know how many times I've said that. 1,565. Luke, you're driving it. Luke is driving the Nissan GTR. The rest of the video, Luke, you take the camera. You take the camera. You're driving the Nissan GTR. Okay, and on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by ShipStation. Now, I first started using ShipStation a year and a half ago with StradMerch, and guys, it has completely transformed my business. It saves me time and money, but most importantly, it allows me to focus on growing my business and not worrying about shipping logistics. It's no surprise over 100,000 e-commerce sellers work with ShipStation. It's also no surprise that 98% of companies who use ShipStation for 1 year use them for the entirety of their business. Now, if you run an e-commerce business, you understand the effects that inflation is having on your bottom line. Right now, there's never been a more important time to save money. And the best way to save money is on shipping with ShipStation. ShipStation gives you access to deeply discounted shipping rates that are usually reserved for large companies. They also work with 45 different carriers, so it's super easy to compare rates and delivery times. Maybe you do a ton of international shipping. Well, ShipStation can do that. They can ship anywhere around the world. Now with ShipStation, you can basically automate any shipping task, including processes like tracking to even fulfillment. And guys, ShipStation works on over 300 platforms, including Amazon, Etsy, and even eBay. These days, you have to do whatever it takes to protect your bottom line. ShipStation is a great place to start. Sign up for a free 60-day trial today at shipstation.com/StradMan and start saving with every shipment. That's 2 whole months of discounted shipping absolutely free. Visit shipstation.com/StradMan. ShipStation, make ship happen. Well, the moment has finally come to go pick up the Nissan GTR in the Murcielago. Now, this is one of the more crazy things that's happened. It's very, very rare for a 40th anniversary Murcielago to come up for sale. There's one on Bring a Trailer right now. It's at $388,000. There's still 22 hours to go. So by the time this video goes live, the auction is probably over. I bet this car goes for like $550,000, maybe $600,000, maybe $700,000. It's crazy to think this car is worth almost the same value as what I paid for my Vero when I first bought that car 2 years ago. Driving this car used to be so much fun. It's still fun, but now it's just a little bit nerve-wracking. Well, it has been a long time coming, but ladies and gentlemen, on the 25th of April, 2022, I present to you the bug killer, the reincarnation of Godzilla. It looks so good with the white skull wheels, the front bumper from Darwin Pro's back on the car. Dude, that looks so sick next to the Murcielago. Oh my goodness, 1,500. I know I've said that a million times. 1,565 wheel horsepower. Now, before I'm allowed to drive the Nissan GTR, Brad, the owner of PPC, he's gonna take me for a quick test drive, show me all the ins and outs, and Luke, is gonna follow us in the Murcielago. I don't know what I'm more nervous for.
Yeah, this thing's like $750,000. Are you sure you want to do this?
I'm not, no, but the last time I rode with Brad, I started crying on camera. There is gonna be no tears today. I'm not crying. I might get a little bit emotional, but no crying. It feels so incredible to be back in the Nissan GTR. So like I mentioned in the dyno video, we have 9 different maps. At map 9, 42 pounds of boost. 42 pounds of boost, and map 9, 1,565 wheel horsepower, and Luke appears to have stalled the Murcielago. Like I said, I don't know. Oh, there he is. He's good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is map number 5. Like I mentioned, there's 9 different maps. Map 5, Nissan GTR Bug Killer. Hold on for your lives, boys. Oh, just, oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. There's a reason Brad is driving and not me. Okay, that was map 5. That's not even map 9. The Murcielago literally just disappeared behind us. Obviously, I can't film going this way because we went slightly over 55. Okay, that was map 5. All right, ladies and gentlemen, map 7 in the Bug Killer, and we go. Oh my God. What the world was that? Dad! Okay. Oh my. What have we done? I wish you guys could be here to experience the Bug Killer. This car is like, it like travels to like a different dimension. It's like teleporting in this thing. I drove in Brad's car last summer and it was the craziest experience of my life. I forgot. Brad has created a monster. All right, here we go. This is launch control in the Bug Killer. Oh gosh. Oh, just. Oh my gosh. Whatever. I said I wasn't gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Okay. Wow. Launch control map 5 right there. Good. I'm too old for this. I'm way too old for this. Now, launch control was fun, but map 0 is the flame tune, and just naturally, we have an underpass. I'm looking around. No cops were good. Wow. Okay. Dude, this car is so sick. This car has so many party tricks. Wow. A lot of flame tune coming to the vlog sooner than you think. I am legit at a loss for words. I'm actually starting to lose my voice. I have never felt something so violent in my entire life, except for maybe when we were here last summer in Brad's other Nissan GTR. There's just something about these GTRs. Oh my God, I wish you guys could experience this. How you doing, Luke? You look nervous.
This is a great idea.
You're buckled up, you're totally fine. What could possibly go wrong? Absolutely nothing, right?
Everything could go wrong.
I can just feel this car wants to rip my head off. We're not gonna do anything crazy. We're gonna work our way up. Okay, we're working our way up. We're working our way up. Let's go. The Bugatti Killer. Wow. I sound like the Pillsbury Doughboy. But would you have it any other way? No, you wouldn't. This car is like a different kind of warp speed. Quick downshift. Let her wind up. Oh my gosh. I should not be driving this car right now. This is unsafe to society. If you live in the state of Utah, you got a fast car, you think you got a fast car, you've been put on notice. Those mild accelerations right there, that was map 1. So to change maps, we're gonna go here. We're gonna toggle up on the dash. I don't know if you can see. So we're in map 4. Keep toggling up. So this is map 9. This is forward.
No,
this is just an example. It's just an example. That is simply an example. Map 0, though, that is our flame tune. We're gonna save that for this evening, okay? Patience, patience. We're just slowly working into the GTR. Nothing crazy. Oh my goodness, to the moon. Let's go. Oh no, Luke. Okay. Okay, wow. Wow. Dude, this car is like a teleportation system. It is so fast. I wish you guys could be here to feel the sensation of speed. Like, forget hypercars, forget the Bugattis, forget the Koenigsegg's, the Bug Killer, the Koenigsegg Killer, the Jesko Killer? Wait, what? No. Oh. Wow. Wow. I forget to breathe. This car is so fast. Okay. Wow, Mexico's gorgeous. Absolutely. Wow. Guadalajara Peak over there. It looks so nice. Well, you know, I might be the most annoying boss in the entire world, but I do have a bug killer, and this man right here has got to experience. Be careful, okay?
As long as I'm driving, I'm fine.
Oh, no.
One hand on the wheel.
This man is a crazy driver. I'm fine. I'm a good driver. I have a perfect record. Let that be known. I do. Now, of course, full disclosure, I do trust this guy. I do trust Luke Terry. That being said, he's still a madman, and it's a bug killer. So, okay, definitely definitely get your seatbelt on. As fast. Wow, that was really slow. We ready?
We're ready.
This is happening. Oh, jeez.
What map were you
Straight into it.
You were in map what? You were in 3?
Well, no.
We're going 9.
No.
Yeah.
No, absolutely
Yeah,
not. He is who he is. We love him. Oh, goodness, hold on. Focus, determination. Clear eyes, full hearts. We cannot lose. This car cannot be beaten. There is not a car in the state of Utah that can beat this car with this man driving. Well, there probably is. He's probably a lot of faster cars. But Teslas, RIP. If you've been in a Tesla, you think that's fast. This is the Tesla Destroyer. If there's any Tesla plaids out there, you want to race a GTR, you call me, because we got you. We got you. Oh my goodness. Look at that guy. Oh, no, hey, stop, hit the brakes. This guy is ridiculous. What? No. Wow, that's fast. I have a dog, Oscar.
This thing is so sick.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
That is not good. I knew we shouldn't let him drive it. Anybody who's ever ridden in a car with Luke Terry, you know what this is like. It's just like, it's just a different kind of experience.
You're so dramatic.
I am not being overly dramatic. I don't even know how to explain it. He's crazy. He's a lunatic. We love him, but he shouldn't have a driver's license. Now, you see, the best thing about having a cameraman, when you want to do the flame tune, when you want to do the pop tune, but you know cops are nearby, you have him do it. Oh my gosh! What? Dude, this is not good. This is not safe. That's.
I love it.
Do that again. Do that again. What? Let's go! I told you guys I would not cry in today's video. I am hyperventilating right now. My heart rate is through the roof. Please stop! Please stop! This is unfair treatment. Luke gets so much satisfaction out of like rude. I am deaf right now. I can't even hear myself. I'm losing my voice right now. I'm sweating profusely. This is the bug killer. It's the Strad killer. There's so many things I want to say right now, but my brain is not functioning. Like literally, I'm not being overly dramatic. I'm not trying to sensationalize. I cannot think. Luke has ruined me. I'm blaming Luke. I realize it's the car, but at the end of the day, I'm blaming Luke, this guy. I tell you, you give this guy an inch, he takes a mile. I've been hyping up the Bugatti killer for quite a while. Brad from Precision Performance, I can't speak right now. He has completely blown away my expectations. This car, guys, like April 30th, we're doing the roll races at Utah Motorsports Campus. Be there, see this car run. This thing is a monster. Today's video's over. I'm going to the couch, I'm going to bed. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Luke, do not, under any circumstances whatsoever, do the flame tune. It was the other guy. He's that way. I promise. He's definitely that way.